Let's tidy up your time. Does your day feel full? Does it feel heavy with many small things to do? We often carry tasks like little pebbles in our pockets. Each one is small, but together, they weigh us down. This can make our minds feel cluttered, and it can hide the things that are truly important. We forget what sparks joy in our work and in our lives. What if we could gently set some of these pebbles down? What if we could find a special place for them so they no longer weigh on our minds? This is what we will do together today. We will tidy up your daily routines. Imagine a day where your schedule feels light. Imagine your to-do list feeling calm and organized almost by itself. This is not a dream. It is a reality we can create. When we tidy our homes, we create space for peace and happiness. We can do the same with our time. By looking at our daily tasks, we can find the ones that repeat over and over. These are the tasks we can teach to run on their own. It is a way to thank our tasks for their service and then let them go, trusting they will be handled with care. This journey is about empowerment. It is about taking control of the small, draining parts of your day. It is about creating more space for what you love. Let's start this wonderful journey of tidying up your day. Let's find what sparks joy in your routine. Before we can tidy, we must first see the clutter. We must acknowledge everything we do. For one day, let's observe our tasks with gratitude. Take a simple notebook and a pen. As you move through your day, write down every single thing you do on your computer or phone. Do you check your email? Write it down. Do you save a file to a folder? Write it down. Do you copy information from one place and paste it somewhere else? Acknowledge this action. Do not judge the tasks. Simply see them. Let them know they are noticed. This is the first step to understanding your digital home. Now, look at your list with a kind eye. Which of these tasks did you do more than once? Perhaps you saved several attachments from your email to the same project folder. Maybe you copied the names of new clients from a form into your contact list. These are your repetitive tasks. They are the digital clutter in your day. They ask for your attention again and again, but do not bring new joy. They are like unwashed dishes, always returning. We will find a special, automated home for them. Circle each one you find. As you look at the circled items, ask yourself a simple question for each one. Does this task require my unique human touch? Does it need my creativity, my empathy, or my special judgment? A task like writing a heartfelt thank you note needs you. Hold each of these repetitive tasks in your mind. Thank them for the work they do. Now that we have found our repetitive tasks, let's give them a clear path to follow. We will draw a simple map. This map is called a flowchart. It does not need to be complicated. It is just a way to see the journey of a task from its beginning to its end. Think of it as drawing a path for a little stream of water. Where does it start? Where does it flow? And where does it end? This map helps us see the task very clearly. It makes the process feel simple and manageable. We will do this for one task at a time. Let's choose one task from your list. For example, save email attachments to a project folder. Now take a piece of paper. Draw a simple oval at the top. Inside, write the beginning of the task. This is the trigger. What event starts this task? In our example, the trigger is a new email arriving with an attachment. Next, we draw an arrow from our oval. The arrow points to a new shape, a rectangle. Inside the rectangle, we write the action. What do you want to happen after the trigger? In our example, the action is save the attachment to my Project X folder in Dropbox. Look at your simple map. Does this path make sense? This little map is your plan. Now that we have our beautiful maps, we need to choose our helpers. These helpers are special websites that connect your apps for you. They will follow the maps you created. The two most kind and popular helpers are named Zapier and Make. Think of them as two friendly organizers who are eager to assist you. They both do a wonderful job of tidying up your digital tasks. Zapier is like a very simple and friendly guide. It speaks in plain language. It asks you, when this happens, you choose your trigger. Then it asks, do this. You choose your action. Make is a bit different. It is like having a set of magical building blocks. Instead of a simple list, Make shows you your map visually. You see little bubbles for your apps, and you connect them with a line. It looks very much like the flowchart we drew. This can be very joyful for people who like to see how things connect. Make also allows you to create more complex paths. You can have one trigger that leads to many different actions, all at once. So, which helper should you choose? Hold the idea of each one in your mind. Does the simple, step-by-step path of Zapier feel calm and reassuring? Just pick the one that feels best for you right now. Trust your intuition. Let us now create our very first automation. We will be brave and gentle with ourselves. Let's use our example task. When a new email with an attachment arrives, save that attachment to a specific folder. For this, we will use Zapier, as it is a kind place to start. First, you will create a free account. Then, you will see a big button that says Create Zap. A zap is just Zapier's name for an automation. Think of it as a little spark of magic. Click it with a feeling of joyful anticipation. You are about to teach your apps how to talk to each other. The first screen you see will ask for your trigger. This is the start of your map. Zapier will ask you to choose an app. Let's choose your email app, such as Gmail. Next, it will ask for the event. We will choose New Attachment. This tells Zapier to watch for any new email that has a file attached to it. You will then connect your Gmail account. Zapier will guide you through this. It is very safe and secure. It is like introducing two friends who you know will get along well. Once connected, Zapier will test the trigger to find a recent email with an attachment. This is a good sign. Now for the second part, the action. This is what happens after the trigger. Zapier will ask you to choose your action app. Let's choose a cloud storage app, like Dropbox. The final, most magical part is telling the action what to do. You can select the attachment from the list. You have now connected the trigger to the action. Your new helper is ready. It has its instructions. But before we let it work on its own, we must test it. This is a very important and joyful step. It is like trying on a newly organized drawer to see if it feels right. Let's press it. This tells your helper to perform the action just once. It will use the sample data it found earlier. The helper will try to follow your map. It will upload it to the Dropbox folder you selected. In a few moments, it will tell you if it was successful. Now go to your Dropbox folder. Do you see the new file there? If you do, it is a moment for quiet celebration. Your helper understood your instructions perfectly. There will be a switch to publish or to activate. This is like telling your helper, "Thank you. You are ready." It will tidy up for you, even while you sleep. Spend just a few minutes checking on it the next day to ensure it is working as expected. Then you can trust it to do its job, bringing a little more order and peace to your world. You have done it. You have taken a small, repetitive task and you have given it a home. This is more than just saving a few minutes. It is a profound act of self-care. Think of all the other repetitive tasks you circled in your notebook. Each one is an opportunity. You can now look at them not as burdens, but as puzzles waiting for a beautiful solution. You have the skills. Your automated, organized, and joyful day awaits. Embrace it.